Ano? Susuko ka na?
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards and
Kip, dito na yun.
Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies, family. Wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana. Honey killers on the helmets. Legacies, family. Wait and see, family. Pockets full.
Boss, dyan nga yun!
Tara!
Hindi kasi talaga eh.
Pare, may polis!
Sir, hindi naman po talaga sa droga pinag-uusapan namin eh.
Boss, nandito pala!
Ano ba talaga?
Nag-aaway sila.
Po yung babae na yun eh.
Nasaan?
Ay, boss, wala pala dito yung Pokemon sa kabilang bahay.
Ha? Balita yung pinasukan?